Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Lifestyle New. This time we talk about coming back to save K-pop and yet as BTS Kim Taeyong military discharge reached at number 2 breakout topic on Google Trend. On May 5 and 2025, BTS Kim Taeyong military discharge became the number 2 breakout topic worldwide on Google Trend, leaving the fandom in a frenzy. The latest surge in the artist's much anticipated return to the entertainment industry occurred after his recent gym picture circulated on social media. For those unaware, the Instagram user and the Big Choi shared a post featuring Kim Taeyong, Jungkook, and Song Kang on May 3, 2025. In the new update, the trio flexed their muscular strength and the biceps. Subsequently, the IG story went viral among the fandom. He is coming back to save K-pop industry, and the mark your word, Taeyong will save the music from hitting the rock button. And the fandom stated they were eagerly awaiting BTS Kim Taeyong return and from the military and they mentioned they were excited for his much anticipated comeback. This proved how much fans are waiting for Taeyong and his return from the military. A fan reacted, I don't believe in the power of circumstances in this world. Only those who seek the condition they need, and if they don't find them, create them themselves. Said this is what Taeyong does. Bravo, a fan shared. The excitement for his discharge day is absolutely uncontainable, a fan commented. Netizen added that it was impressive to see BTS Kim Taeyong topping the Google Trend chart, even thought his industry for maintaining military service. What's even more impressive is Taeyong achieved this despite serving in military. The world is not ready for June 10. We are all so excited as to which also activity and he will we pursue first, but one thing for sure, the Taeyong brand impact and influence will be significant. A user reacted. And not forgetting that Taeyong has been in military service for almost 18 months without giving interview or TV appearance. A user share, look at the immense popularity and demand of Taeyong. We have been missing our Chinese so much. Don't worry guys, he's returning soon, a user mentioned. And on May 5, 2025, the top 9 website revealed the list of the top 1000 Instagram influencer under the different categories. Subsequently, BTS Kim Taeyong emerged as the most influential Korean in the world under the music category. Bandmate Jin and J-Hope ranked second and third on the list, and while Jimin and RM came into the fifth and ninth position, respectively, we topped under the different segments which have been listed below: most influential Korean in the world, most influential Asian male in the world, most influential in the United States, most influential musician in the world, highest engagement rate in the world. In recent news, the artist revealed through an Instagram post that he has been promoted to the rank of sergeant in February 2025. BTS is expected to be discharged from maintaining military service in June 2025. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. When it's time, goodbye.